guys, and welcome back to another week of grocery haul. This week is the weekend before Christmas, so it's not a big haul because I already have stuff on hand, and I have my toddler down here, so don't mind her. So I am doing breakfast, and then everybody else is bringing stuff for Christmas dinner. So I am only making one dish, and my husband is making the turkey. No, my husband is making the turkey, and that's it. So I'm doing brunch Christmas morning. So I went out and got stuff to do, and it's gonna be buffet style brunch. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is, yes, hot dog. So where do I start? Okay, let's start over here. So we have some chicken thigh, and I think I'm gonna make curry chicken for Christmas. So I got that just in case, and also I got some drumstick. And then for breakfast, brunch, I got some mint. Take her from me, please, and share with her. So for brunch, I got some mint because, you know, after breakfast, people might want something to take the, you know, taste of egg or something. So I got some mint and also some strawberry filled candy. So I'm gonna have those in a bowl after brunch. And then I got some mini muffin. I'm gonna have that set out. And then I have some Danish. These are cheese. Are these Danish? No, these are cheese crumb cakes. I figured the kids could, you know, pick from either of this. And then I got some fruit and grain cereal bar. Then I got these little variety pack of cereal, so just in case anyone wants cereal instead of eggs. And then I have Danish, because I know I got Danish. Then I got some Danish. And then for the main course, I'm gonna have biscuit. Gonna have biscuit, eggs, what else? I think that's it. And then we're gonna have some fruit and cream flavor variety pack instant oatmeal. So just in case someone wants oatmeal, they'll have that. And then I'm gonna have coffee. I have some more stuff, but it's not right here. And then I have my ice, because I love ice. I have some peanut butter, because Destiny likes crunchy and Jackson likes creamy, and the twins, they don't really care. And then we have some cheese over here, because Maddie eats these like none other. She loves sliced cheese. She'll just eat it just like I'm making mac and cheese. I am making mac and cheese for Christmas. So that's what that is. And then I have some elbow macaroni just in case I don't have enough. I think I have enough, but I just bought another pack just to be sure, just to be on the safe side. And then I have some chicken and beef broth because I make a lot of soups in the evenings for dinner. Got some whole corn sliced potato. I have some ground beef here because we love soup, and these make great soup. I have some white bread. By the time you guys see this video, all of this will be gone. I have some bite size. Walmart had these for 92 cents. I couldn't pass them up, so I just got the bowl and then that one. My mother-in-law is coming for Christmas, and I figured I would get her Goya crackers because they eat these with everything. And yeah, so So next I got some macaroni and cheese because the children are home from school. Figured these could be easy and quick meal. And then ramen noodle because yeah, I'm that kind of mother. We got some sour Kool-Aid for the kids on Christmas morning so they can choose between that and something else. And then I got some dessert over here. So I have Dutch apple pies. So I got 2 of those right there. Okay, so let's get into the canned goods. So we have some coconut milk because just in case my sister don't show up with the rice and peas, I have coconut milk to make rice and peas for Christmas. And then I have some cream of chicken, another can of cream of chicken because I make a lot of soups. We have some sweet peas, some black beans, more sweet peas. We have some tuna because now that we're on a budget, it's easy to throw this with macaroni and cheese and some mayo and you got yourself a meal because it's protein. We got some mild salsa. Guys, Jordan, I don't care. We have some strawberry jelly, a ketchup. Go to your room, Jordan. Put that down. Go to your room. Thank you. We have some mixed vegetable, black beans, mixed vegetable, sliced potato. I was looking for the whole potato because it's great to throw in soups. And another thing of slice. And I think that's it. We got some bow ties here. Moving on over here, we have some strawberry and banana yogurt. I love these because it's a lot that comes in the pack, and I can easily give these to kids for breakfast. We have 60 eggs. This is the large white eggs. I got some rigatoni pasta here, and then we have some Minute Maid. This is part of my buffet style brunch on Christmas, so they can have this. So that bad boy go over there. And then we have some original chicken hot dogs. And then we have another one of the original chicken hot dogs because every other flavor is filled with pork. And we don't eat pork. We have some Clover eggnog here because I love eggnog. We have this thing of vegetable oil. We have some rotisserie flavor chicken breast. This is so good. It is so good, and you get a lot. And we go through this like none other. Maddie loves string cheese, so I got her the mozzarella string cheese, and it's easy for her to go in the fridge and get out what she wants, and she likes to snack on cheese. So I get her this guy, and then I also got pasta sauce, Italian Garden. That's the Walmart brand, traditional. And I think I have another one. I think, or did I only get 2? I think I only got 2. Could have been more. And then I got some what is this? Parmesan and Romano. Gosh, why do I struggle so much with this? Parmesan and Romano cheese. And we're back over here. And I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. I spent a total of $150 and 50-something cents. So that's it. Oh, and I got a case of water, but it's not here. So that's it. So yes, I think I have enough. I have to go back out for coffee creamer. I have to go back out for milk because I forgot that. I forgot my cell phone, and my cell phone had my list on it. So I gotta get, and potato. I have to get potato, and I'm missing something else off the list that I have to pick up. And today is the 23rd. So we have to, because we went out bright and early, because going to Walmart anytime at all after 8 o'clock is just asking for trouble. So we go at 5. We went at 6 because they opened up at 6. So we went at 6 and we spent 2 hours in there. and by the time we were leaving, people were, you know, rolling in, and I'm like, okay, I'm done. But we gotta go back out for those 3 items, I think, and then we're done. Christmas is officially done. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next grocery haul. Bye guys.